Yeah, and we're gonna make a right at the. Yeah, now I know what it is. Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they want you to work for them,
True.
and all they have to do is just wait for the email and report everything. Or for me, we're gonna make a right here. We're gonna make a right here.
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, it's like, I don't need a job on top of that DDS
true.
job. Now it's becoming even more stressful because you have to deal with the. Oh,
Yeah, because
you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, there's no break, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Be careful, man. Be careful.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't going fast.
Yeah, so that's why when I thought about it, I said, you know what? I'm not gonna do this home dialysis, man. I can't afford the stress.
Oh, this is the building.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight. No, we're gonna go straight.
Yeah, I see the building. I just showed you. I see the building.
It's all the way on the right side. Where that car is?
No, I see the
building.
building.
You see the building, yeah.
See that building?
Yeah.
Austin, that.
Yeah, that's the diagnostic clinic.
Yeah, that's the one building here.
Yeah, because the healthcare system is tricky, man.
It is.
Now, turn right.
No, we're gonna turn right. We're gonna keep going
Yeah,
straight.
keep going straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they're very tricky, man. They don't tell you this at the beginning. They don't tell you that the home dialysis is time consuming. They said, oh, here, we're gonna make right here.
You have reached your
They're
destination.
gonna tell you it's easy. Oh, wow. Wow. We're gonna make a left.
See, that's good. There's
Yeah.
no cars around.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
That's
it's over there. Yeah, it's over there. Wow, look at that. Wow.
Because they don't put salt here.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the dialysis place.
Okay. And what? That's the where we
Yeah,
enter.
the door, yeah, that's the door right there.
Okay. Then let me park right here.
Yes, you can just stop there. I can walk. Yeah. Well, man, to be honest with you, I don't know how to thank you, man. I don't know how to
That's
thank
good. We made it without
Yeah,
accident.
yeah.
So
I
that's
know,
just,
I
yeah.
know. I know. You want to come in? Let's
No,
close it.
we have to. I have.
Yeah. Oh man, this is crazy stuff. Oh, look at